My friends, we do not live in a meaningless universe drifting by accident through cold and empty space. We live within a great and ordered mystery, a living architecture of intelligence, where every star, every symbol, every thought participates in a deeper design that the ancient sages labored to preserve, not in superstition, but in symbol. For truth too powerful to be handed, plainly must be veiled in allegory. And so the world itself becomes a book written in the language of signs, waiting for the awakened mind to read it. For what you call reality is not merely what is seen, but what is understood. And the tragedy of modern man is not that he lacks knowledge, but that he has forgotten how to interpret it, mistaking fragments for the whole, appearances for essence, and in doing so he becomes lost in the outer forms of life, never realizing that the true temple was always within him. For man is not a creature separated from the divine, but a vessel through which the divine seeks expression. And the purpose of life is not simply to survive or accumulate, but to refine, to elevate, to transmute the lower nature into the higher, to take the raw material of instinct, desire, and confusion, and through discipline and insight, shape it into wisdom. For the ancients taught that the universe itself is a great school, and every experience, whether joy or suffering, is part of the curriculum designed to awaken the soul to its own nature. And yet most will pass through this world as strangers to themselves, never realizing that the symbols surrounding them, the myths, the sacred texts, the geometry of nature, the cycles of the heavens, are not relics of the past, but living instructions, guiding them toward a greater understanding of who and what they truly are. And so the question is not whether truth exists, but whether one is willing to seek it beyond the surface, to look past the veil, to study, to reflect, to live deliberately. For only then does man cease to be merely a participant in the world and become instead a conscious co-creator within it, aligning himself not with illusion, but with the eternal principles that govern all things. And in doing so, he fulfills the great work, not imposed from without, but realized from within. Humanfluence. Out.